I got this one. So guys, I am going to buy this CB honey from the Regina International Airport. I found one store here and I'm going to buy this. uh, the owner of the store said me that this is the best honey,
Organic.
in organic honey in Canada, and it got the award.
Yeah, they won the award in Toronto. Yeah.
In Toronto, yeah. So I'm gonna try this honeybee and then I'll tell you guys if it's how is it and everything.
I'll just tell you the rest of the story.
Oh. Do you mind if you come on your video?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Maybe, yeah, I'll hold like this.
When I was told that this was the best organic honey in all of Canada, I asked the question, how do you know what bees eat? In order to be certified, you have to be able to certify what their bees are eating.
Yeah, right.
A bee's range is only 3 miles in any direction from its hive. This farmer owns all the land within a 3-mile radius. The hives are in the middle, and he planted all of the land around the hive to organic Saskatoon berries. Therefore, their only source of food is organic Saskatoon berries.
Oh.
When people buy this honey and try it for the first time, they come back and say to me, what makes it taste so different? Because usually a bee would have a range of a variety of food sources, clover, other flowers, but that's how they know with surety what their bees are eating.
Yeah, right.
End of story.
Okay.
Because you wonder, well, how can you certify something? How do you know what the
how
bees
can
are
you
eating?
certify? Yeah.
You can't. So that's how.
How can you certify that it's organic and everything?
Yeah,
right?
and that's how they can. As far as the bee can fly, is all organic berry.
Oh, okay.
That's my story.
You want to tell something about this tea and everything? Like,
No, not really, but
I want to try, but like I'm kind of a low budget now, but in the future I'll sure try everything.
Oh, for
I'm
sure.
really interested in this kind of organic stuff.
yeah. We have so many people don't think that Saskatchewan has a food industry, but we do. And so I carry a lot of products. People from all across Canada will wait and get their organic wild rice from Saskatchewan. Wild rice is a reed that takes its nutrients from the water in which it's grown. And our wild rice in northern Saskatchewan tastes different. They all taste different because the nutrients are different. And so our wild rice is the best in Canada. Everybody knows it.
Yeah. Wild rice. Okay.
This is a great product, Saskatchewan steak seasoning.
Okay.
Obviously it's meant for steaks and meats. I use it on chicken and all different kinds of meat, casseroles, hamburgers, meatloaf. When we oven roast vegetables, shake your vegetables with virgin olive oil and then shake this on top and then bake them that way. It's delicious.
Okay.
Who knew? Who knew we were so famous? I ship this Saskatoon berry tea all across Canada. I have people that come in, if I have 22, they buy all 22. And it's also completely herbal. And we also steep a pot and put it in the fridge and drink it as a healthy iced tea. So that's partly why people really love it. And we have Saskatoon berry, all the things we do with our berry, Saskatoon berry syrup. We give out this card because syrup doesn't have to just be about pancakes. We also use it as a dessert topping on cheesecake.
Topping.
Yeah, we use it as a sundae topping on ice cream.
Okay.
And so there are lots of different ways you can enjoy that.
Okay.
And then this is just a new product. My last product I can talk about. Then I'll gift you one of these. You can try it yourself. I'm going to gift you. I'll gift you a salted caramel. This is 100% organic chocolate, and it's handmade by a woman in Weyburn.
It's
and I'll get you
handmade.
one. Yeah, it's
Oh.
fantastic. Honest, put it on your tongue and let it melt. It's the most delicious chocolate.
Okay.
It's the most delicious chocolate, and that's my gift to you to say Happy New Year.
Oh, to me. Thank you so much.
You're-
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. That's it. I don't have anything else in here to tell you about.
Okay.
You do have to try it.
Okay, I will.
Oh, I don't even like. I said to her, I don't even like dark chocolate. I like milk chocolate. When you taste this,
I like dark chocolate.
She said, I'll change your mind, and she did. It's fantastic.
Okay.
So you can try that.
Okay. Okay. Let's just take a look and then
Sure.
I will pay for that. Okay.
Sure. Happy New Year.
Hi guys, I'm so happy to be in this store. That lady gave me the gift of this chocolate. This is a black chocolate and she said once you try it, you are gonna love it. So I will definitely gonna try it.
Yeah, my holiday is gonna start. I slept in. I just barely got here.
So yeah, there are a lot of stuffs here guys. So if you come to the Regina International Airport, do visit this store. So many things are here. I want to buy a lot of things, but the thing is that I don't have enough money right now. But I am gonna buy that honey for sure, and then I will let you know how is that. And look at the store. So this is the store guys at the corner of the airport. So once you land at the Regina International Airport, do visit this store. Rumor Inc. is the name of the store. So guys, I learned a lot of things from the airport pickup volunteering, and I spent 2 days over there, 1 day and 1 night, and I did a lot of activities. As I mentioned all these things in the 3 videos. I think I uploaded 3 videos. This is gonna be the third video of that airport pickup. So in total 3 videos are of my airport pickup volunteering. So do check all those videos guys. And yeah, this video was all about like a store visit and everything. So like I got 2 things from that store guys, and that is this one, chocolate, handcrafted raw karma chocolate, salted caramel, and this is organic raw dairy free. And also I got this one, honey that I bought from that store. The cost is $4, and the chocolate is like around 7.50, around $8 or something. But I got this one as a gift from that owner of the store. And yeah, so I'm gonna taste both of these things and I'm gonna give you the review. How was it? The chocolate is already half finished because when I came from the airport, my friends see that chocolate and they really want to taste it, so only half is remaining now. So I'm gonna taste both of these things and then I'm gonna tell you like a review of both of these products. So yeah, if you visit the Regina International Airport, I suggest you must visit that store. And this honey is like this honey won the best honey prize of the Canada. So yeah, I'm gonna taste it now. I think it's because of the cold it's frozen, because I kept this in my bag for 2 days. So it's already frozen, but still I can taste this one. And yeah, the chocolate also. So let's taste it and I will tell you how's it. Okay guys, so first I'm gonna taste chocolate. Look at the cover, it's really good. It's so soft, not so hard. And yeah, it's a dark chocolate, so it is not gonna be all at all sweet. But let me taste this. I'm gonna hold this in my mouth. It's really good compared to all other dark chocolates. It's not that much bitter. So soft, and it's really good. Seriously, it's really good. Like, um, I like the dark chocolates, but this is something different. Really, this is completely different compared to all the dark chocolates that I have tasted. That was like a little bit crunchy and more bitter. Your face will be like, if you taste the real dark chocolate. This one is also the dark chocolate, but it's really, really, really different than I have ever tasted. It's handcrafted actually, and organic. Its taste is really different, really, really completely different. It's not at all sweet, but it's not so bitter also. So yeah, this one is really good. uh, Completely, like, I'm really amazed by eating this chocolate. So yeah, now the time is for the honey. So it's frozen, as you can see, but it's not completely so thick, so I can taste this one with this. Let me taste. uh, the lady told me that this is the best honey, like, this is gonna be the best honey you have ever tasted. So, and this is the product of Saskatchewan. Basically, Saskatchewan is famous for this kind of things, organic stuffs and other things. There are a lot of other stuffs was also there in the store. But let me taste this. This is really, oh my goodness, this is really superb. This is completely superb. It's like a little bit frozen, but it's completely superb. It's not so sweet. It's not so sweet. Like, it is sweet, but it is not like have you tasted a sugar? Not that kind of a sweet. Most of the honey you will feel like the similar taste kind of a sugar, but it is completely different. Even I have tasted the organic honey in so many places, but this is completely different. I can't stop myself to taste this. This is seriously different, guys. Completely different. I have never tasted honey like this ever. That lady was saying right. This is something different. You should try this one. Seriously, the $4 are worth spending on this. Even it's frozen, I think something. I don't know if the honey is frozen, then something taste will change or not. But this is seriously so good. So yeah, guys, both of the products are really good from that store. And I'm going to use this honey in, I think, green tea or something. And I used to eat honey more while I was in India. So yeah, this store is really good. And this honey is the best I have ever tasted. That chocolate is also the best I have ever tasted. I'm gonna visit that store sometimes if I will go that side. So yeah, if you guys are going to visit the Regina International Airport, or you are coming from somewhere to the Regina International Airport, the store is on the arrival side. You can easily find out there is only one store like this on the Regina International Airport. So visit one time. There are a lot of products, but as I told you that I cannot buy most of the stuffs right now as I am a student. But that store is really worth visiting it. So yeah, the name of the store is over here, and I will put more details of that store in the description box below. And I think that's it for today in this video, guys. And I'm gonna eat more honey because it's really, really amazing, and this is the best honey of Canada. So take care, guys. I will see you in the next video. Till then, you take care, my friends, and bye bye. This is amazing.